Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Photos for beginners in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to Google Photos. Sign in using your Google account. After signing in, you'll arrive on the Photos page. This is where all of your backed up photos and videos are stored. You can scroll through your library and click on any photo to open it. When a photo is open, you can zoom in, zoom out, and view it in full screen. When you're finished, simply go back to return to your photo library. Next, click Albums. Albums help you organize your photos into different collections, making them easier to find later. Now open Favorites. This section contains the photos you've marked as favorites, so you can quickly access your most important memories. If you have shared albums or shared photos, click Shared to view everything you've shared with other people or that others have shared with you. You can also explore other sections, such as Explore, Trash, and Locked Folder, depending on the features available in your account. Next, click the Settings icon. Here you can review your Google Photos settings and access storage management options. If your storage is running low, click Manage Storage to review your storage usage and clean up unnecessary files. Google Photos makes it easy to store, organize, search, and access your photos from anywhere using your Google account. That's it. You've successfully learned the basics of using Google Photos in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.